Have you ever wondered how your mind works? What hidden secrets does your brain hold? Our minds are intricate and complex, filled with countless processes that even today remain shrouded in mystery. Psychology, the study of the mind, attempts to unravel these secrets. Today we're going to delve into this fascinating field, exploring 20 intriguing psychological facts that might just change your perspective. So, buckle up and prepare to dive into the fascinating world of psychology and discover some unexpected truths. Ready to delve into the mysteries of the human mind? Here are the first 10 psychological facts. Fact number 1. Your mind can only focus on one task at a time. That's right, multitasking is a myth. When you think you're juggling multiple tasks, you're actually just switching your attention between tasks at lightning speed. Fact number 2. We're more creative when we're tired. Sounds counterintuitive, doesn't it? But it's true. Our minds tend to think outside the box when we're feeling a little drained. On to fact number 3. The mere presence of a smartphone can reduce cognitive capacity. Even if it's turned off, just having a phone within sight can distract us and limit our mental prowess. Fact number 4. Laughter is indeed the best medicine. It's been scientifically proven that laughter triggers a flood of endorphins, our body's natural feel-good chemicals. Fact number 5. We're more likely to remember something if we write it down. The act of writing engages the brain in a different way and helps to cement information in our memory. Moving on to fact number 6. The halo effect influences our perception of others. This cognitive bias means we tend to assume that people who are physically attractive are also likely to be smart, kind, and funny. Fact number 7. We fear rejection more than death. Our brains are wired for social connection, and the fear of being ostracized can be more powerful than the fear of physical harm. Fact number 8. The power of placebo effect. Even if a treatment has no therapeutic value, if we believe it works, it can still have a positive impact on our health. Fact number 9. We're more likely to make a rational decision when thinking in a foreign language. It seems that using a second language helps us to keep our emotions in check. And finally, fact number 10. We tend to overestimate our abilities. This cognitive bias, known as the Dunning-Kruger effect, leads us to believe we're more competent than we actually are. Intriguing, isn't it? But we're only halfway through. Let's continue our exploration. Still with us? Good. Here are the next 10 psychological facts. Let's dive right into fact number 11. The human brain tends to remember unfinished tasks better than completed ones. This is a phenomenon known as the Zeigarnik effect. It's as if your brain puts a bookmark in your mental book of tasks that need completion. Moving on to fact 12. Did you know that people tend to forget information that can be easily found or accessed? This is known as the Google effect. It's like your brain's way of decluttering and making room for more important stuff. Fact 13 is a fun one. The human brain tends to perceive people who are physically attractive as more successful, intelligent, and friendly. It's a cognitive bias known as the halo effect. Fact 14. We are more likely to blame others for their actions but blame our environment for our own. This is called the actor-observer bias. It's human nature to be a bit egocentric, isn't it? Now, fact 15. People are more likely to value something they had a hand in creating, a phenomenon called the IKEA effect. It's why that DIY bookshelf feels so precious. Fact 16. We are more likely to believe something the more we hear it. This is referred to as the illusion of truth effect. It's a powerful tool in advertising and politics. Fact 17. The brain's ability to change and adapt is known as neuroplasticity. It's like your brain's personal fitness program, keeping it flexible and adaptable. Fact 18. The human brain tends to substitute easier questions for difficult ones. This is called substitution bias. It's like your brain's little cheat sheet. Fact 19. We tend to favor information that confirms our pre-existing beliefs, a bias known as confirmation bias. It's why we tend to stick to our guns. And finally, fact 20. The power of a placebo can be strong enough to cause real physiological responses. It's proof that the mind is a powerful tool indeed. And that concludes our list of 20 psychological facts. Surprised by what you learned? So, what have we learned today? We've journeyed through 20 intriguing psychological facts, each shedding light on the unique intricacies of the human mind. From the way stress can influence our memory, to the subconscious power of the color blue, we've seen how our minds shape our experiences. We've even discovered how our brain can trick us into feeling full. Remember, the human mind is a fascinating place, full of surprises. Keep exploring, keep learning, and you may uncover even more intriguing truths about your own psychology.